Before you start a business, the first thing you do is market research. When all this hoopla around artificial intelligence started happening last year, my thought was that one of the most useful application of AI would be in the market research. And this tool, IdeaApe, exactly does that. It is still very limited. It just goes through Reddit and not um, other things in terms of doing the market research. But the idea is awesome, and that is why in this video I'm going to give you a demo of this idea app as how this works and how you can do the market research with the help of AI by using this idea app. Market research before starting a business idea involves gathering and analyzing information about the industry, target customers, competition, and the demand for a product or service. This process helps entrepreneurs understand the market landscape, identify opportunities and pain points, and make informed decisions about their business strategy. Through surveys, focus groups, and analysis of existing data, market research up till now was providing you valuable insights into consumer preference, pricing strategies, and potential market size, ensuring that the business idea is viable and meets the need of the target audience. But if you think about it, these surveys, focus groups, data analytics on the existing corpus of data, market research is really expensive and it is error prone. You never know what is true and what is false. But having said that, the idea of market research is a crucial step in minimizing risk and maximizing the chance of success in the competitive environment. That is why I believe that AI is very, very well suited to resolve this issue. And this is where tools like IdeaApe can do a lot of great things, like it can automate data analysis from data sets from social media, and by training these data sets, the algorithm can identify patterns and sentiments, providing a report that assists in predicting what users truly desire. Okay, now I'm already logged into this idea app by using my email account. It says zero searches left. I'm not sure why, but let's see if it lets me do that or not, or if it is asking for my money, which will be a shame idea. But anyway, let me try it out. I'll My idea is AI chatbot. Let's analyze. There you go. It is asking for money. How shameful is that? Anyway, so I'm not going to pay them any money. I'm going to just leave it at that because I think they shouldn't be asking for money before they give me some chance to do any search, and I haven't done even a single search with it. Anyway, so if I go back, if it would let me go back, there you go. So here they have just given a demo. If you're interested in it, it's very simple. All it is doing it that when you click in, you just put any of your idea here. For example, you just put like coffee shops and then analyze. It goes to Reddit. Only Reddit at the moment picks up 100 posts related to your idea and then analyze those with the help of some LLM. I think maybe GPT-4, and then gives you the pain point and sentiment. Now, um, I think primarily it is doing sort of RAG thing, retrieval augmented generation, where it is retrieving Reddit posts which are similar to your query, and then it is doing augmented generation, which means that it is generating the response of LLM by giving it that context of top 100 Reddit post, and then primarily uh, taking with the help of LLM taking the pain points and the opportunities, and these are all the threads on Reddit. Now, if you think about it, you can do the same thing easily with any of the other open source tool like LangChain, Llama Index, or even you can write your own simple Python code to use it with any of the LLM out there, whether GPT-4 or open source. So very simple idea, but a good idea. Um, and then I think you can build this thing on your own very, very easily. There is nothing rocket science about it. Anyway, I will drop the link to their website so that you can also read it. You can't try it out because they are not giving us any of the free credits here to test it out. There is some more information around it. That's it, guys. Let me know what do you think about such tool, and if you're aware of any Other similar tool which is a bit generous and have the common sense of allowing the users to at least try one search, please let me know and I'll be happy to review it. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.